out. We want you to do this move right here. We're gonna break it down for you. 60 seconds for our advanced, 45 seconds for our intermediate, and 30 seconds for beginners. Let's go, let's break it down. Cree's gonna show you.
So this move that we're about to do is called unity. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna bend your knees, slightly bend your knees. You're gonna stay low. You're gonna interlock your fingers and keep it there. That's why it's called unity. Okay, you're gonna do an in-out motion with your arms. You're gonna go in, out, in, out, in, out, and then you're gonna add your core in, out, in, out, in, out. And then we're gonna lift. We're gonna go in, out, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So once you got that, we're gonna move side to side. 4 steps to the right and then 4 steps to the left. Okay, so we're gonna try it. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Go in, out, in, out. All right, let's take it to the right. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2. We're gonna pick it up a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. All right, are you ready? Woo! We have 60 seconds. Let's see if you can hang. Come on. All right, we have 1 minute. Slightly bend those knees, interlock those hands. Here we go. And 4, 3, 2, to the right. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Good. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. Good. Extend those arms. Work that core. Hey. 1, 2, 3, lift. Yep. Hey. Hey. Lift that knee nice and high. Hey. Hey. Come on. Hey. Hey. Yes. Hey. Out and in and out and in. Out and in. Hey. Come on. Hey. Good job. Keep going. Hey. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. 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 Work that core. Hey. 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 Good. Hey. Come on. Almost there. Keep going. Hey. Woo! Good job. Good job. Just remember to keep those fingers interlocked the entire time. This dance is called unity. Keep that unity. And you want to make sure you are extending those arms and moving that core. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Hey. All right.
2 more rounds.
Yes.
2 more rounds. Remember, 60 seconds for our advanced, 45 seconds for our intermediate, and 30 seconds for our beginners.
That's right.
Keep moving your Boombsey. Hey. Shout out to Ruva Afrique for our awesome jogging pants. We love supporting our African designers.
Yes.
Have an awesome day.